Hello, hello. Live stream number 108. Tuesday, August the 1st. Hope everybody's doing good today. Alright, let's see, is everything working? I think so. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. Dollar still kind of chopping around. Not what I wanted to see. NZD went up for a little bit. Big move down. Okay, it's coming to a pretty heavy level though. So if it is gonna go up, this would be the time. Actually, it probably will. Wow, I didn't even see that. Went up for like 2 weeks straight or whatever that is. That's pretty crazy. Alrighty. NZD possible move up. This was my trade from last night that I won. Not too bad. Barely though. See, I got it finally over here. So first off, it took like, let's see, 6.5 hours. And I barely got it. And then it came crashing down right after. So luckily I was able to get it. Still hasn't hit, even if it didn't go through, it still hasn't actually hit the take profit though. Or sorry, the stop loss. So I guess I would still be in there had it not hit the take profit. All right. So EGBP. I've been waiting on this thing to go up. Like I said, I got that small move yesterday, but I thought it was going to continue going up. So I'm actually glad. I was actually thinking about moving the take profit up a little bit. Oh. Okay, can you hear me now? I think so. Damn, I was talking that whole time and nobody could hear me? Ah. All right, let me know that you can hear me. It shows that all right, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, hopefully that fixes it. Okay. Luckily, it's a slow day in the market, so not missing anything right now at all. Okay. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Okay. Wow. So I talked for 15 minutes and no one can hear me. Alrighty. I forgot what I was even talking about. All right. I don't know. I don't know what I was talking about. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness. All right, I don't know what's going on with either the cord or the mic itself or the USB port. I'm not really sure what's the issue here. So hopefully this doesn't keep happening. Not sure about that one. Okay. Technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Yeah, hopefully it is the cord and not OBS itself. I don't know if I can restart it without restarting the whole stream. I've actually never had to do that, so I don't know how to do that. But we'll see. I might have to learn today. Alrighty. Alright, seems to be fine so far. Okay. It is OBS. Okay. Let's see. Oh, can you still hear? Okay. I think it's this software program. Yeah, I think it's this software. Like I said, I can't restart it because I think the stream will drop. Yeah, so my reset starts tomorrow at 3 p.m. So I'll have it up for tomorrow night. I'll be back on the challenge. And we'll see if they give me the unlimited one. I don't think so. I think they're just gonna give me the regular one, which is fine. That's what I'm used to anyway. But yeah, the unlimited one would be much better, obviously. Way easier. Okay. Alright, I think the mic is fine now. I'm still paranoid, so I'm watching it over here just to make sure I'm still on here. Okay. Maybe I have too much stuff open. Hold on. Normal stuff. Okay, yeah, I think it's fine now. Alrighty. So yeah, like I was saying, I don't see much today. Just kind of the same as yesterday. Kind of the same as Friday. I believe Thursday was kind of slow too. It's been a couple days of like not greatness. You'll get like 1 or 2 good trades, which is fine, but there was a while there where it was like you would have like 5 or 6 different options to choose from. That has definitely not been the case for maybe a week and a half, at least 4 or 5 days. I forget some of the days because you know, you trade every day, you don't really remember what happened last Tuesday unless it was some really standout day. So we still got 7 minutes before the open. Komodo Dragon, you said evening, morning. I will still make payment for your course. Still going through Forex psychological things. Alrighty, man. Yeah, whenever you're ready. It's not going anywhere. It'll only get better. Like I said, version 2.5 will be coming out very soon. Sometime within the next couple months. I tallied it up. I am working like 70 hours a week now, including this. So, you know, little crazy time right now. But that won't be for very long. So, just gotta cram it in now. Yeah, so far today is not looking like it's going to be anything special. But it will at least be able to find one trade. And that's all you need, really. You don't need a whole bunch of trades. Find one really good one. Still a good day. Although I do prefer the 2 or 3 trade days. Those are obviously way better. On that 100K account, you can make a nice cool 1200. Or on a super good day, you can make 1600 or more. So that is not bad for 2 hours or less. Okay, we're gonna get this thing. Okay. All right, right on time here. We got 55 seconds. Komodo Dragon, you said the duration you passed 1 challenge. I blew 4 challenges. Oh damn, man. Yeah, you should you know what? You should send me your FTMO challenge, the ones that you failed. Send me the what do they call it? The metrics for it. And I'll be able to help you on what you're doing wrong there, because it's probably something really obvious that you're doing. Make sure this mic is still working. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty hard to blow a challenge. You have to be probably just over risking and taking too many trades. All right, here we go. Man, nothing happened. That was the weakest open ever. Oh my goodness. Okay, today's gonna be slim pickings. Even the open didn't move anything. It's my womp womp sound effect. Yeah. All right, so okay, this is gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna have to wait until like 12:30 before I can take anything. That's what it's looking like. Man, you love that Euro AUD, huh? Yeah, like I said, I don't really trade this pair. Not really. It's just there. I just have them there. I know they're going to come back eventually. These used to be very, very good pairs. I know I tell this story all the time, but GBP AUD used to be one of my favorite pairs, but in the year of 2023, it has been very unreliable. Same with all these others. There's specific times when they're good, but usually they're not. So, but I think eventually they'll come back to being good. Alrighty. Gotta have patience today, that is for sure. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong about this EGBP. Maybe it is going down. I'm still not very convinced about that. I really think it's a move up. So I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Yeah, this is a pretty big move down. I'm just not convinced. This is mainly coming from here. Yeah, I'm not convinced on this move at all. Okay, still a possibility that we get the big move up here. I got a taste of it yesterday. This move over here. It's the one trade that I did win yesterday. But it didn't continue going up like I thought it would. So, yeah, it's a possibility it'll happen today instead. That would be a good trade. I don't see much else at the moment. This would be okay if it wasn't a double top on the hourly chart. It's definitely another skill you got to have. Know when it's slow like this. Don't try to take a bunch of trades. There's really nothing going on. No reason to lose money for no reason. Alrighty. So yeah, once again, I say this stuff all the time. I repeat myself a lot on here just because each trading day is pretty similar. Each trading session is pretty similar. You're looking for the same stuff, doing the same stuff. If it's a slow start like this, that means it'll pick up at 12:30 to 12:45. That's where the action will be. Don't just have to wait for it. Naba, you said I just got here, bro. Entered anything yet? No. No, you haven't missed anything. Nothing going on. We got a nice chunky move down here, but it's crashing directly into this level here. So yeah, it doesn't have very far to go. Not too bad, I guess. But like I said, in my opinion, the EGBP should be going up. So this might be the big final move down before it finally crashes into this heavy level / double bottom down here. If it gets past this, I'd be very surprised. Now that is a pretty big move though, since this is a daily chart. So that is a lot of pips there. Not really. It's only 55 pips. It's not that much. So we'll see if it even makes it that far. Hopefully what will happen is it'll come down pretty hard and then reverse equally as hard in the other direction. And that should be the start of the move up. Or I'm completely wrong and it just continues down. But like I said, that's pretty unlikely for it to go past down here. Okay, yep, it's gonna be another one of those 12:30, 12:45 days. I'm calling it right now. Yeah, nothing solid. This is a nice downtrend, but the level is right here. So it's not gonna just burst through there. Very unlikely for that to happen. Very unlikely for the dollar to just keep going up in a straight line like this. I think this is still my best bet over here, EGBP. Yeah. I think this probably comes down a little bit more. I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way down here. But yeah, it might end up being a fake out actually. That would make more sense, I think. The problem is I have to wait for these ones to catch up. The odd and the NZD actually are in a pretty good downtrend, but the GU and EU are not. And this is not, I don't think this is a solid uptrend either. Yeah, my win rate has actually gotten pretty low. It was like, actually, let me bring it up. I don't even know what it was. Just know it wasn't 65 to 70 like I wanted to be, like it should be. Trying to pull up the FTMO thing over here. Is not working. Okay, I'll wait for that. They might be doing. Okay, never mind. FTMO site client part is not working right now, so I'll try to pull it up later. But I think I had like a oh, you know what? I can pull it up on my FX book. That works too. we go. Here we go. Okay. So here is that challenge that I had to do the retake on, which again starts tomorrow night. So I ended with just a small profit, $25. Huge loss here. That was my like big mistake on this one. But what I noticed was the win rate. It was actually a little bit higher. It was like 50%, which is fine. But usually I'm at like 65, 70%. So I think I'm taking, number one, too many trades, and then not high quality trades. I need to definitely work on that. I'll go through periods where I'm really good. Sometimes I'll have like an 80% win rate. I remember at one challenge I did and passed it. It was a 100% win rate. I actually made a whole video about it. So I'll have times where I'm on point. I'll have times where I'm kind of messing up. And like I said, days like today, where there's not really too many great moves actually no good moves happening right now, in my opinion. Just stay out. Yeah, just stay out of it. Unless it's at least an A- or above, there's no reason to take it. And if you can keep like a 65, 70, 75% win rate, you'll be much better off than trying to like extract money out of the market when it's just not there. If there's no moves, there's really nothing you can do. You just have to wait. Okay, so it's 12:23. I'd say within the next 10 to 15 minutes, we should start to get something going somewhere. Yeah, even with the 50% win rate, you're using 3 reward to 1 risk. So you win 3, lose 1, win 3, lose 1, win 3, lose 1. It's still not bad, but imagine that same thing with like 65%, 70%, way better. Way better. You could drop all the way down to like a 30% win rate, you'd still be winning. So it's not all about that, but it's definitely better to have a higher win rate instead of a lower one. obviously. Yeah, this is looking like it actually might be a fake out. Like I said, these two are kind of lagging behind a little bit. But the UCAD, the GU, and the EU are looking like they might end up reversing. I definitely wouldn't do anything yet. Need at least like 2 confirmations on these kind of moves. Not a terrible EMA pullback here. Kind of shallow though. Okay, we're starting to get some decent moves here. It's not bad here. Not bad. Actually, yeah. Okay. The quick one here. Okay. Okay, quick EMA pullback there. Let's try that again. Alrighty. I'll give this one an A minus. Yeah, it's got some things going in its favor for sure. EGBP still coming down. Pretty heavy trend down. Dollar pullback, heavy trend up. So usually this works for that reason, but it is a pretty shallow pullback. It didn't come all the way back to the 21. So we'll see. I'm definitely not moving any stops or anything on this one because there's a possibility that it's a fake out. But like I said, the AU and the NZDU are still in a very heavy downtrend. So it usually pulls the GU and the EU down when that happens. That being said, I think this was actually the better one. Yeah, this was the better one. I should have took this one instead. Well, we'll see if it makes it up there anyway. Yeah, the UCAD one was better. I'm taking it here. Okay, we'll see if it makes it there. Let's see. Okay. It's close, but I'm still in there so far. Yeah, I don't think I want to short this one. Like I said, I'm expecting for it to go up heavy. So I don't even want to bother trying to catch a pullback here. I'd rather try to catch it on the way up, if anything. This is still stalled out over here. Yens aren't doing anything. These two would end up being a good pullback on the way up. Whenever that happens, I don't think it's gonna be this session. One's almost reached it. This includes the spread too, the FTMO spread, not the AAFX spread. Tight spreads. Yep. Yeah, like I said, this was the better one. This one still hasn't technically gone through yet though, but it's a lot closer than the one that I did take. This is still almost at the entry, and then this one is almost at the take profit. So it's a pretty big difference. Naba, you said, is it okay if I ask for your analysis on the Euro USD and why the other one is better? So these two here, you know, these all these are driven by the US dollar. So the GU, the EU, the AU, the NZDU, and the UCAD are all driven by what the dollar index is doing. This is a pretty, I'd say, healthy uptrend on like the 4-hour chart, but on the 1 hour, not so much. And it's kind of overextended too. And then if you look on the daily, it definitely, I mean, it's crashing up against this level here. So it's not like a clear, unobstructed trend here. So I was looking at that first. It's not a clear trend on the dollar. The EGBP should be going back up any minute now. So if the EGBP is going up, it's going to push the euro up, which is going to push this half of the pair up. The UCAD had a much stronger trend. It's an actual uptrend, but it's going to most likely stop once it hits this level up here. But it should at least get up there first. So this level is way up here. And then my take profit is where this green line, or would have been where this green line is had I taken this one instead of this one, which it looks like I'm about to lose now. It's a lot of things really. The EGBP, when you're trading the GU and the EU, you have to be paying attention to the EGBP and the dollar index. And if you're trading the AU or NZDU, you have to pay attention to the odd NZD and the dollar index. It's the same thing for two different sets of pairs, but all four of those are pretty much the same pair, and including the UCAD, all five of these basically are the same pair. So they'll have little differences here and there, but typically they all do the same exact thing. Except for obviously the UCAD is in the opposite because the dollar is on the front side of that pair. Which is great when the dollar is actually moving in a clear direction, but on days like today and yesterday and Friday, and I think even Thursday and some other days last week, the dollar didn't have a clear direction. So there's nothing really you can do with these pairs. I lost that trade there. Not too surprised. This one actually didn't make it through either. It still has a chance to. It probably will actually. I should have took that one. It's all good. That's okay. I might be able to catch this on the way up. So it's gonna have to put in at least like 1 or 2 consolidation bars or a pullback or something before I do that anyway. Yeah, see this? Yeah, okay. So this would have went through. Had I taken that same exact trade on the UCAD instead, I would have won the trade instead of losing the trade on the other one. So that was my mistake. And then now, since it looks like the EGBP is coming back up, if I was going to go short, I would go short on the GU instead. Since the euro is going up, it'll push this down faster. Okay, so Okay, I think it's the cord or something. Okay. Yeah, it's back. I'm not sure. I think it's probably this cord because I roll over it with the wheels on the chair all the time. That's probably why. By accident, you know, I'm not rolling over it on purpose. It's in the way sometimes. So this cord is probably like on its way out. I think it's called a micro USB. I'll have to probably get another. I think I might have one actually. Well, I'm not gonna search for it now, so I'll look for it for tomorrow's streams. If it's still acting up tomorrow, I'll just switch the cord out. Hopefully that fixes it. This is probably okay to get into now. It's not. It's a little bit early. I think it's fine though. Okay. Kind of a repeat of yesterday. Waited around for everything, and then the EGBP ended up being the winner. Yeah, this thing is very prone to reversing super fast, so I don't want to actually miss the whole thing. Okay. All right, repeat of yesterday. The one drawback to this pair is the spread is kind of heavier than usual. There we go. Okay. I think you can get more out of this too, but I'll be a little bit on the safe side here. All right, so I'm hoping for just a consolidation bar here. Now I'm all paranoid about my microphone. Is it still working? It is, I see it. Yep, this one went well past the take profit, where the take profit would have been. Okay. Yeah, for such a slow day, the fact that I was able to find two trades, even though, you know, I messed up on the first one, still good. Like I said, on a slower day like this, if you can just get one trade, that's completely fine. So I'm okay with this outcome. This one's looking fine. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get into anything else. Okay, so I'm just gonna ride with this here. Like I said, it was a little bit early, but it still looks pretty decent. Yeah, hopefully it ends up being a winner. We'll see. I probably should have waited for like a double bottom first, or at least a consolidation bar, and do the whole buy stop here. You know, the safe way of doing things. That's the safest way to do that. You get a move up like that, wait for a consolidation bar, and then set a buy stop above it. And that way, if it does go back down, then you don't risk losing the trade. So that is the proper way to do that, which I did not do today. All right. So I'm going to call the stream there. I don't see much else happening. I will be back on probably starting my 100K challenge retake tomorrow. They're going to reset the account and everything. So I'll have that one back. I'll be able to hopefully finish that up within like 2 weeks, like I've done in the past. And yeah, I'll have the recaps back once I have the account back. So not tomorrow, but the following day. So Wednesday. I can't keep track of that right now. But yeah, the recaps will be back once I'm back trading the 100K account. Hope you all enjoyed the stream. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And I will see you all tomorrow. Later.